you hope to see in this film?
I am the story of Robin Barclay and Tommy Duncan. Robbie was my very best sister friend. Tommy, I've watched. I am so proud of his achievements, everything he's doing from healthcare and his mom did. I'm just extremely excited and so very proud of him.
So I want to see something that represents Detroit wholeheartedly. And not just one side of Detroit. We want the east and the west side represented.
Ask the Messengers. I'm jealous because your ratings are a little higher than ours. But
Well, we've been on there for a while.
I know. But you know what? I endorse your show, and this whole event about the Prince of Detroit is important because when you ask the Messenger, and I know that you're about uplifting people and people who they go through things, but the bottom line is never forget that dreams can and do come true.
Yeah.
And this is what you instill in people who've gone through things. You know what I'm saying? So this movie is a common thread to what we do on TV.
Yes.
Mine is about aspirations for people, especially in arts, entertainment, and culture. And you're dealing with people that have gone through issues that need to never forget that dreams can and do come true.
Yeah. And you know, I think this is beautiful that we're down here at this beautiful music hall, movie premiere. I feel like I'm in Hollywood right now.
Well, this is Hollywood. This is Hollywood.
Black Hollywood.
West. Exactly. And Detroit is doing some incredible things in terms of movies. But Prince of Detroit, the story of Tommy Duncan, his mother, Robin Barclay, is such an incredible story of endurance, of triumph, tragedy, life. Life is about ups and downs, right? But if you just hold on, you will make it to the finish line. And Robin, I know, is smiling from heaven above, knowing that she is still inspiring people. She inspired her son. He's a multimillionaire. This movie is about that journey. And she's still inspiring me. And I want the people that are your people to watch the film as well, because if I've said it once and I've said it more than once, dreams do come.
They come true. They come true.
You got that right.
And we're living proof of that.
Yes, indeed. So continued success, and we will meet each other at the Emmys when they say the Emmy goes to Ask the Messenger and Postbeat with Greg Dunmore.
I'm going to be right there sitting next to you.
Fantastic.
Now, Columbus Short, Dame Dash, Faison Love, Brytni Sprite. I mean, how can you miss with that kind of a team, right? Dame Dash, how can you miss?
Well, we are expecting something phenomenal. We really are. We're lifelong Detroiters, born and raised here. And anything that has to do with Detroit, we're out supporting it.
Standing next to icon, legendary, Mr. Bill Proctor. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is actually a journalist's dream.
Looking forward to seeing this movie.
Mm-hmm. So it's about Detroit. It's a story of Detroit. And you've covered so many stories in your lifetime. How does this feel for you, have been through different things? What does this say to you in your career, even now that you're retired? So how does it feel for you?
Well, in this movie, there is a certain hospital property. I was there for the beginning. I was there for the collapse. So it's very interesting to see that now we're looking at this in a positive way, that there were people of Detroit who were very much a part of the rise and fall, yet the business continued, things did well, and once again, we're here to celebrate. And I'm really happy to see that, because I'm not thinking there's anything much negative here.
Exactly.
This is something to be said positive about the people of Detroit, and how, with an opportunity, they can not only carry it forward, but do marvelous things with the opportunity.
Yes, and thank you so much for taking time to speak with us. And you are definitely one of my iconic mentors. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing today. You and a few others. I mean, you guys just make it look so easy, so effortless. And, you know, somebody has to pick up where you guys leave off, and I'm going to do my best.
Well, you're doing just great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
And I came to support Tommy Duncan. I've watched him grow up as a young man, and he's done quite well. I'm very proud of him. And, of course, Chuck Bennett and I have known each other forever.
Okay.
We're not going to disclose the number.
Right.
And, I was asked to supply the popcorn from Detroit Popcorn Company. And so with gracious appreciation and honor, I did.
I'm an actress.
Good. So what inspires you to pick a role?
What inspires me to pick a role? Something that challenges me. Something that I can learn from.
Okay. Okay, so tell us, we need to have you on the show so you can tell us more about that.
Well, the Build a Better Man program is a male mentor and leadership development program for young males ages 7 to 17. This is our 32nd year. And actually, in August 26th, we are having our junior Shark Tank where we are awarding $5,000 out to male and female entrepreneurs 12 to 17. And we like to have you and different partners involved. We got a lot of different folks who've donated.
Wow, that sounds exciting. So we're here, we're about to premiere this film. Tell me, what do you look to see and what you hope to see? Being from Detroit and it's the Prince of Detroit, what do you hope to see?
Well, you know, I like always putting Detroit in a special light. I mean, because Detroit is a great city, right? So I don't think we get our props enough. So, hey, you know, I'm here to, make it happen.
Just hope to see great representation from Detroit, just seeing some, local talent and, just a good show.
What brings you here? Do you know somebody in the movie? Are you an actor right in the movie? Are you going to tell me that you are?
Well, I am an actor, but I'm not in this movie.
Okay.
I'm here to support my good friend Chuck Bennett. He always puts on great events, so whenever I'm invited, I gotta make my way there.
I am proud to say that the Duncan family is my family. So to be able to see, legacy and accomplishments portrayed in film to be shared with the world is beautiful.
Right now, I'm standing next to two of the most powerhouse women of Detroit. Look at her. She looking like, where they at? She looking like, where they at? 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 We're going to start here and tell us your name.
Hello, I'm Jennifer Fuller.
And what do you do, Jennifer?
I am a general dentist in the Metro Detroit area and actually in Ferndale.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice. And we know who this is, but we just want you to introduce yourself.
No, we do not. We know that I am a mom of three. Let's start right there.
Okay.
Lauren Campbell Sanders. And yes, you see that beautiful smile on Dr. Fuller. If you want one like that, you got to call her office.
So sweet. Thank you.
That check was good. It's so good. So we're all from Detroit and we're looking at this and we understand this. So how does this feel to see this story come to light for you?
Well, I would say, I'm going to start by saying, looking at the collective that have all come together to see a production that has to do with some of the story of Detroit, the roots of Detroit. What I really enjoy in this day and age, African-American people need to know more and more the power of their collective and the power of harnessing and telling, capturing your story. Doesn't have to be on a big screen like this. Write it down at home, share it with your cousins, share it with your family at the family reunion. We have to capture and tell our story. So for me, while that Caesar salad is good, the cookies are looking cute too. The fact of the matter is, we must understand the power of capturing who we are and telling our story. And that's what this is for me.
Awesome. And you want to echo that?
Yes, ditto on all of that. Right. And yes, we have such a rich history that we must share with our generations after us. And so this is an example of that. And so I'm very, very proud to be here.
Awesome. Well, thank you both for taking time to speak to us and hanging out for a few minutes. Enjoy yourself. Go get that Caesar salad. You got your dentist next to you, so you'll be seeing her tomorrow after you eat the cookies today, right?
And Detroit representing, okay?
Yes, definitely.